Hey guys, I'm out here in the garage. I'm undoing my 2017 GSXR1000R, taking it from track ready to back to street ready. And I just want to cover like a real simple tip on how to defeat the ABS if you're interested in that. I have track tested this and proven that it works. No interference. You just have to live with an ABS light. I just created a YouTube short to cover it real quick. But while doing that, I thought I want to show you just a couple other things in case you don't know to make this transition easier. Back in the day when I still had street bikes, not a dedicated track bike, I used to take the bike apart to unplug the headlamps and the blinkers and all this. So most organizations didn't want your lights working. Finally, I got smart about it and I discovered, like, hey, let me just pull the fuse. So that's what I do. And I'm just going to show you that, like, if you pull the fuse, you can just about kill all these lights. Easy. I pulled the ABS fuse while I'm on track. I didn't want it interfering last time. I was on track. I have ridden with it on. I'm going to tell you, if you're a novice or intermediate and you don't brake hard, you can probably leave it there. It's not affecting you. It's not bothering you. Back when it did affect me, my braking technique needed improvement. So with good tires, good brake lines, just do it with caution. I'm just saying, like, do it with caution. But also, you're going to see I've removed two other fuses, and those are actually my headlamp fuses for the high and the low I pull. Now, if we look, I could pull, I think, the parking brake and the rear brake light but I don't do that because my auto tune box, the way I wired it up, and I need that power to stay, and I've never bothered to fix it. But absolutely, depending on where you wire it in, you can get around and pull those fuses. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Pull the fuses. You don't have to unplug anything. It makes it much easier. If you like this kind of content, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. I'm gonna end it here, try and keep it short and simple.